From a machine that irons its own shirt to making a phone call by hand, there are many strange inventions happening around the world. Let's see some of it. Effie. Ironing a clean shirt requires a lot of time and effort. To make this easier, an automation ironing machine was designed and built by an engineer in England. All you have to do is put the clothes you want to wash on the hanger inside the machine. After that, just select the desired operating mode and wait for 3 to 6 minutes. The dress will be brushed and ready. The whole process is done using a special type of hot press inside the machine which stores up to 12 dresses at a time and also has boards for quick drying of wet dresses. But to own this machine you will have to spend around 75,000 rupees. Scarper. Carper, a British company, has released a product that is very useful for bicycle users. An electronic device weighing just 3 kilograms can be mounted on a bicycle for a distance of 60 kilometers without stepping on a pedal. But this can only be done on bicycles with disc brakes. Because unlike other devices of this kind, the disc brake of the bicycle rotates instead of the tire. Since there is a speed limit within this, the cycle will only be done at a speed of 30 km/h. The device is fully charged in 2.5 hours and takes very little time to cycle. You may be shocked to hear the price of this device which is going to go on sale in 2023. It will cost around 1 lakh rupees to buy. SGNL. Some engineers in America have invented the technology to make phone calls by touching their fingers to their ears. For this, a strap with bone conduction technology should be tied on the hand. Sound is transmitted through its vibration. All you need to do to make a call like this is to connect the strap with the phone via Bluetooth. One of the great advantages of this strap is that it is compatible with both normal watches and smart watches, and there is an app that only supports them on Android. With this strap, which also includes a tracker system, you can talk continuously for up to 4 hours. Available in 3 colors, these straps start at 12,000 rupees. Hair washing robot. Next we are going to look at a hair washing robot invented in Japan. According to its manufacturer, Panasonic, this machine will be very useful for the elderly and those who find it difficult to wash their hair on their own. It is equipped with 24 knobs like human fingers. All we have to do is lie down like our head is over a sink. It takes 3 minutes to wash the head and another 5 minutes to fully dry it. Shampoo and conditioner are all used according to our needs. Panasonic claims that these robotic knobs will feel the same as human fingers. Pro Drone. Pro Drone is a multifunctional drone from Japan. This drone is equipped with a 10 horsepower Gaswind 2-stroke engine and can fly for up to 2.5 hours in one direction with a weight of 15 kg. According to its makers, this drone will be very useful for agricultural purposes, logistics and area surveillance. This drone weighs 20 kilograms and can fly at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Even if there is a big wind, this drone can overcome it and fly. Optional infrared camera, LED spotlight, and other fittings are also available. Up to 8 liters of fuel capacity, the drone also has a 3,300 mAh battery to power the electronics. Hushme. It is a very strange invention that looks like a kind of mask. In fact, this Hushme is a very useful device when making phone calls in crowded places. Since the front cover of the device comes, the sound of talking does not come out much. This device, which also comes with earphones, can also eliminate the background noise. This device can be connected to our phone either through Bluetooth or through a C cable. Its battery can last up to 10 hours of continuous use. Available in 4 different colors, the device comes with a cable and a USB to mini jack adapter. Its price is 20,000 rupees. Fend Up. Some designers in America decided to improve the design of the bicycle helmet a little bit. For this they went out on the streets and asked people who use bicycles, scale boards, scooters etc. what kind of helmet they want. This folding helmet is the result. Built to world-class safety standards, this helmet is only 8 inches wide when open and 4 inches when folded back. This helmet weighs only at the waist and can be folded and carried in a bag. There are 12 vents on the helmet that allow air to flow through it. It has 2 built-in waterproof LED lights that last up to 20 hours on a single charge. These LED lights can also be turned off when not needed. You will have to spend around 6,000 rupees to buy this cool helmet. Rise. Rise is a flying machine invented for agricultural purposes in rescue service. It has a range of 40 kilometers which can fly at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. All the 6 propellant systems have removable batteries, and this machine can be used for a variety of purposes. With the help of artificial intelligence, anyone can fly this machine without much difficulty as the control system is built into the machine. Moreover, this flying machine can take off from water and land. This machine can be used as an area surveillance and for inspecting farmlands from above. Emblem. These miniature vehicles, known as emblems, take tourists on a new experience through the railway tracks of Britain. In 1830, the world's first modern railway line was built and the train ran through these tracks. Although no trains run through it now, these vehicles are an opportunity to get a closer look at this kilometer-long railway track. This journey, which combines the old and the new at the same time, has gained much attention. Efforts are underway to bring this train project to railway tracks around the world. How were these interesting inventions? Comment below which one is your favorite. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.